The animal of the day, October 8th, is the Hoffmann's two-toed sloth, or the binomial name Colopus hoffmanni. Type: mammal, sloth. Diet: herbivore. Average lifespan: 20 years. Size: 21 to 29 inches. Weight: 9 to 17 pounds. Population status currently, the 8th of October, 2024. Least concern: population estimate, unknown. Native lands: South America and Central America. Primary habitats: lowland and montane tropical rainforests. Main predators: jaguars, harpy eagles, ocelots, and large snakes like anacondas. Active time: nocturnal. Species age: at most 34 million years old. Young name: baby, pup, or kitten. Group name: a bed, a snuggle, or a slumber. Notes: the Hoffmann's two-toed sloth, also known as the northern two-toed sloth, is a solitary, largely nocturnal, and arboreal species of sloth. The forefeet have only two toes, hence the name, each ending with long, curved claws, although 3 clawed toes are on each of the hind feet. Two-toed sloths spend most of their time in trees, though they may travel on the ground to move to a new tree. The Hoffmann's two-toed sloth moves very slowly, typically at around 0.46 feet per second. These sloths are solitary in the wild, and, aside from mothers with young, it is unusual for two to be found in a tree at the same time. Sloths have a very low energy diet of leaves, and have half the metabolic rate of a typical mammal of the same size. Despite their low metabolic rates, two-toed sloths physiologically respond to hypoxia and hypercapnia, similarly to other mammals with higher metabolic rates. Sloths have very poor eyesight and hearing, and rely almost entirely on their senses of touch and smell to find food. While terrestrial locomotion is usually thought to involve the sloth lying on the ground and pulling themselves forward, they have actually been seen walking on their palms and sawless. If the Hoffmann's two-toed sloth is threatened, it can defend itself by slashing out at a predator with their huge claws or biting with their canines, although a sloth's main defense is to avoid being attacked in the first place. The Hoffmann's two-toed sloth can survive wounds that would be fatal to another mammal its size. The sloth's slow, deliberate movements and algae-covered fur also make them difficult for predators to spot from a distance, and their treetop homes are also out of reach for many larger predators. The Hoffmann's two-toed sloth has long, coarse fur that protects them from the sun and rain, and unlike other mammals, their fur flows from belly to top, allowing rainwater to slide off the fur while the animal is hanging upside down. Although the Hoffmann's two-toed sloth also consumes buds, tender twigs, young plant shoots, fruits and flowers, most of their diets consist of tree leaves. It is believed that these sloths are unable to synthesize vitamin D through skin contact with sunlight. Therefore, they make up for it through their diet. Every day is a new animal, so come back for more.